Welcome to Wilson's Literacy Academy. Here's how to create your account in just a few steps. Step 1. Go to our website, wilsonsliteracyacademy.com. Step 2. Click Sign Up at the top right corner. Once your sign-up form comes up, fill in your name. That's your first name, last name, email, a username that you can remember, a password that you can remember, your phone number or your parents' phone number, and you click the Create Account button. Let's walk through it. I'm going to add my first name and my last name. And I'm going to add an email address. Now, this email address is an email address that I check often. So make sure that you use an email address that you will check often as well. Now, I'm going to choose a username that I can remember. So I'm going to use my own name. Then I'm going to create my password. Let me try that again. Now, if you want to see what your password is, you can click the I right here. But remember, your password is something private, so this you should not share with anyone else. Now you come to the telephone section. You are required to add your number or your parents' number. Now I'm going to create our new account, and that's it. Once you see this message, you are ready to get our lessons and start learning. Wilson's Literacy Academy, becoming smarter every day.